So how often should I clean my gutters? It's a common question that we hear because you don't want your gutters overflowing and ruining your foundation and so forth. It kind of depends on how much tree coverage you have near your house. So if you have a deciduous tree that's hanging over your house or a specific gutter, it's going to take a lot more cleanings, probably 2, 3, or 4 times a year, realistically. Twice in the spring, twice in the fall. But as we see here, we're having worked on hundreds and hundreds of roofs. I've found all kinds of things in gutters. Literal trees going in the gutter. Now this is just organic matter that I actually put in here as a prop, so I'm going to pull it right out. But I mean, who knows? We've got bushes going in the gutter. We have that old baggie that could flow downstream and then clog the downspout. It's probably somebody's lunch bag or something like that. I mean, we have roof shingle grit in here, obviously, and all kinds of stuff can land in gutters. I've seen tennis balls, golf balls, like I said, a lot of organic matter and debris, plastic. It's surprising what you can find in gutters. So one, this is a pitch to say you might want to think about gutter guards if you're tired of cleaning your gutters out. But if your simple question is, gosh, I don't want to get up there and check it, but how often can I kind of figure on cleaning my gutters out? The answer is going to be probably twice a year at a minimum if you have trees near the house, maybe 4 times a year if you've got trees overhanging the house. If you're out in the open, no trees within 100 feet, you might never need to clean your gutters. That's the reality of it. Probably the easiest way to clean your gutters out is to get, I don't know, back when I was actually roofing every day, all day, we went to the store and bought what they call pooper scoopers. And it has this nifty handle. We get in there and just clean them out and put it in a bucket like this. So we go along the gutter and clean it out. There's like fancy tools with like telescoping poles. You got to reach up there and like try to push stuff along. Those don't really work well because you don't know what you're missing, what you're not getting. So you're gonna have to access it with a ladder. And then either a trash bag or a bucket with a handle is great. Gloves and some kind of easy tool that makes it easy to reach your hand in there and scoop it out. Make sure you also check your downspouts. So sometimes the gutter might be clean, but the downspout is clogged up. You're finding yourself in the situation where it's like, I just cleaned my gutters out, my gutters are still overflowing. It might be a downspout issue. Take a hose up there, stick a hose in there, and let it fill up and let it run for a while and see if it backs up. If it backs up, then you've got something in the downspout, which probably means you have to take it apart piece by piece and find out where that clog is. But there you have it, just a simple thing, a simple answer for how often you have to clean your gutters out.